Ladies and gentlemen, Kansas Supreme Court has felt the need to try and get itself back in this craziest dictatorish, taking rights away from Americans type of way to pass a bill that says the Kansas Constitution does not include the right to vote. Who knew, huh? Yeah, right? So this started as a argument in 2021 about mailing votings and comparing signatures and all that other stuff. That even though it was proven to have worked, there were still Republicans bitching about it. So now that they have the opportunity to kind of screw things up all on one side of the aisle, this is the steps they're taking. So Kansas just moved forward in the Republican direct to dictatorship race. Wisconsin, we've got Alabama, we've got, Ron DeSantis coming up with new stuff every day. This is going to be an interesting race coming up to the election in 2024 because all of these people can be fired. And you would think if these, ridiculous laws aren't enough to give people hints of maybe they're not the Republicans that I was hoping they were, or maybe they're not the Republicans that I believed in when I was younger, or maybe, God forbid, that's not Ronald Reagan. What am I thinking? Ronald Reagan doesn't have orange hair. But the dictatorship and finding out all this new information about a lot of the Republicans should bring people to realize that this is happening right now with a Democrat in the White House. Can you imagine how crazy stuff's going to get if Cheeto Von Shits and Pants gets back in there? I mean, come on. Really? You actually are putting country before party? You can look yourself in the eye and be okay with all this? Kansas Supreme Court doesn't recognize the citizens' right to vote in Kansas. Yeah.